Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple and quick tomato curry recipe with fish. So let's begin with the video. Here I have about 500 grams of Catla fish and I'm going to use this for today's recipe. But you may even use any other fish that you like. I will wash the fish well and will allow the excess water to drain out. In a big mixing bowl, I am adding turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1.5 spoons of mustard oil, half spoon of olive oil, pinch of homemade dhania powder, pinch of homemade garam masala, pinch of hing, pinch of mixed spices, red chili powder, lemon juice of 1/2 of a medium-sized lemon, and mix everything really well. When we add oil and lemon juice, our marination becomes a little more runny and it easily sticks to the fish. Now adding the fish, mix really well. Adding ginger paste, I will also chop a fresh green chili and will add that in the marination. Allow this to leave for 4-5 hours or overnight. Now I am heating up a frying pan, adding oil, and will start frying the fish in low flame. I will not cover the fish but will allow this to cool just as it is. Once fish is cooked from one side, I will just switch off the flame and allow this to cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will make it easier for us to flip the fish. It will not stick to the pan and will also not break. Now allow it to cook from the other side as well. Once done, I will just bend the pan a little and leave this like this for about 10 minutes so that excess oil comes out from the fish. After about 10 minutes, I will keep the fish aside in a plate. Now I am again heating up the same pan and in the same oil I am adding pinch of 5 spices or panch furan, 1 bay leaf, pinch of hing, and will start frying 1 medium-sized onion. Allow this to cook in low flame until onion turns a little translucent. Don't worry if the masalas are sticking in the pan because we added a lot of things in marination. This will come out when we add the gravy. Now I am adding tomato paste. I did not cook the tomato, it's 1 medium-sized tomato and I just made its paste. Mix everything well. Once tomato paste is a little cooked, add the fish. and allow this to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the gravy comes to your desired consistency, switch off the flame. Now adding some fresh coriander and our fish gravy is all ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.